Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your financial goals with PNC Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your financial goals. Identify both short-term and long-term objectives. Consider goals like saving for education, buying a home, or planning for retirement. Next, assess your current financial situation. Take stock of your income, expenses, and existing savings. Create a detailed budget to understand where your money goes. Once you have a clear picture, research PNC Bank's offerings. Explore their various savings accounts and investment options. Look into PNC's financial planning services for additional guidance. Set up an appointment with a PNC Bank representative. Discuss your goals and ask for personalized strategies. Consider using PNC's online tools for goal setting and tracking. Utilize their mobile app for easy management of your accounts. Establish a routine to review your financial progress regularly. Adjust your budget and strategies as needed based on this review. Consider automating your savings to ensure consistent progress. Look into PNC's customer rewards programs to maximize your savings. Stay informed about changes in financial products or services. Engage with PNC's educational resources to enhance your financial knowledge. Remember to be patient as you work toward your financial goals. Celebrate small milestones along the way to stay motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security, and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.